I know I need to be alone. I know I've wasted too much time. I know I asked perfection of one perfect love. I'm full of the thing that's wrong.
Thank you! Hi, Sisi! Hello, Mrs. Anton. Maraming salamat sa thumbs up. Thank you, thank you. Ano daw? Napanood ko, vlog mo, nakita ko. Ano yun? Nagpa-opera ako, sis. Okay lang. Okay na. Wow, naka-73 ako. Tinanggal lang yung nasa talukap ko, sis. Alright. 73, kawawa naman 73. Okay lang yun. Thank you, mix ko.
On the faces of strangers is where I belong. I'm that strong. It's nice to know that there's someone I can turn to. You're always here. You're always there. When there's no getting over that train. When my smallest dreams won't come true, I can take all the medals the world has to give, but I won't let it stay without you.
Thank you, sis. Teka lang. Ay.
So many times when I see you, seems to be you without a friendly face, a lonely place. It's nice to know that you'll be there if I need you, and you're always mine. And so worthwhile, when there's no getting over that point now, when those lost dreams won't come true, I can take all the nervous the world has to give, but I won't rest a day without you. Stretching that I love singing, trouble seems to walk out to disappear. You touch me with a glory. I can really lose the dream. If all my friends have forgotten half their promises, they're not unkind, just hard to find. I won't get you, and I know that I could learn to live without the rest. I found the best, but there's no getting over that rainbow. One of those moments of dreams won't come true. I can take all the madness the world has to give, but I won't last a day without you. But there's no getting over that window. One of those moments of dreams won't come true. I can take all the madness the world has to give, but I won't last a day without you.
Bahala na. Hi, OG Bran. How are you, brother OG? Thank you for dropping by. Magbasa. Thank you. Nice singing. Thank you, brother OG. Sis, Mrs. Anton. Sino pa? Hindi ko nakita. Big Boy Johnny. Hello, Big Boy Johnny TV. Ayun. Sorry, I did not see your earlier message. Big Boy. Feel free to drop a link, okay?